I'm going to teach you how to use the latest GenAI models in 3 minutes.
Jarle, I've been hearing a lot about a model from ChatGPT called O1, but I haven't really understood what it is. Could you explain it to me?
So O1 is OpenAI's latest AI model that is available in ChatGPT. So if you have a look here, you would see that in the ChatGPT interface, there are several models. There's one called GPT-4o. That's the old one that we used to have. And then we have O1, which is the new one. And the difference between the two is that the new one can think a bit like a human. So what it basically does is that when you give it an instruction for something, it will break down the task and it will do the task in a sequence, and then it will evaluate its own response. So what you will see is that when you give that instruction, it takes a bit of time just thinking, whereas the older model will respond right away. And basically the difference is that O1 is more powerful. So if you have a difficult task, use O1. If you have more of a generic task, use the older one, 4o.
Okay, so then say you and I create a startup, an AI advisory startup.
I love it.
And we want to create a business plan for the next, I don't know, how many years. Could this model then solve that for us?
That's a perfect instruction for the model. So I written in here, create a business plan for an AI tech startup in Oslo where the key product is advisory. The company will start with 2 seniors from Deloitte and have a target of reaching 50 million by 2027. Let's see what it does. And now you'll notice that it's actually thinking, right?
Yeah.
So this will take some seconds. And what's happening now is that it's really breaking down the task because it's a business plan. So it takes the different elements of the business plan and works through it, right? And then it evaluates and criticizes itself.
So how I've done it previously is obviously I need to give it a task, but then I also write in the prompt how I want it to break it down and step by step basically solve the task that I'm giving it. But what you're saying is you don't need to do that anymore.
No. You don't have to explain too much. It's much better to be really simple in the instruction. You don't have to explain how to think because it does it by itself.
So how should I write the prompt then?
Be very clear and specific about what you need. Don't tell it how to solve the task, but give it a little bit of context, like we did. It's like we are 2 consultants, we want to reach this target, a little bit of context, but other than that, just a clear instruction and not much more.
Even more simple than we've already gotten used to doing now.
It's simpler to prompt now than ever.
And if you would like to do the same, check out the tips below.